Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do hero keywords. This is how I was able to rank all my clients. If you notice in this first slide, you'll see all #1 rankings for Davin Electric. For this one, it's Decon Renovations. I'm going to show you in this video how I got all these keywords and how you could do it too. But these are current rankings. You can check them yourself. Huntington Pulmonary. KP means knowledge panel for that keyword. You type in that keyword, you'll see the knowledge panel come up on the side. And this is Knoxville Electrician. We killed it for Knoxville Electrician. Images are showing, they're #1 in everything, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So stay tuned for this video. Hey guys, be a hero by selecting the correct keywords to rank in the Google 3-pack. Don't be a zero, get with a hero. Watch this! All right, guys, so hero keywords are keywords that your clients are already looking for you under and Google already sees you popular for. However, you just may not have enough content on your website for that keyword and similar keywords. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what to do. Log into your Google My Business, click Insights. Once you're logged into Insights, I want you to click up top here where it says See New Profile Performance. Okay. When you do that, you will notice that for this client, PEMF therapy is something that people are looking for him for. However, we may not have enough content on that page to rank them for that keyword. So we want to strengthen the content for that keyword. You'll notice another one, chiropractor Los Angeles, but we're going to go with the first keyword, which is PEMF therapy, and I'm going to show you exactly what we are going to do.